doing, silly? Am I a little play toy for you?
Not there.
That tickle.
Oh my gosh.
You're evil.
Evil with the cuteness. See the puppy. Are you comfortable? This is why you like me. I have a bed for you. What are you doing?
You just scored him, scared the baby. Stick your whole foot in your mouth. You see that? Her whole foot in her mouth. Not what?